Okay, so this is how we're going to do it.
Alright, so the order of the towel animal folding, make sure we get a towel. We need a big towel and a small towel. We have the teams right there in the back. I'll grab you one, so we get what we need to. Alright, so make sure you don't grab those towels in the back. And we're going to get the stage reset. We'll go right into it in just a minute or two. So don't go anywhere, but get ready.
It's my first day at school. So, it'll be my first. So, if Daddy wins, he gets to be my favorite parent until the first day of my school. 12 days. And Mommy, if you win, you get to be my parent. My favorite parent.
Until when?
I go for my first day at school.
Okay. I'm gonna win. I want to be the favorite.
Wait, what animal should we be at?
They're going to teach us.
Now, of course, we're going to make some animals. Now, what animal? Whisper to me. What animal am I making first? Oh my goodness, it's one of my favorites. Okay. So we're going to start with our big towel. We'll be more than happy to come over. All right, everybody has their big towel, nice stretched out, right? Yes? Now what you're going to do, you're going to start with one of the short ends, and you're going to start rolling it in. But as you roll it in, kind of like a scroll, you want to make sure that it's nice and tight, okay? Don't just flip it over, all the way to the middle. You're going to roll it. Now, also know that you're not going all the way through. You're only going to about the middle of the towel, okay? So roll it, one short end to about the middle. And then once you got the middle, you're gonna turn around and do the other one. The other short end as well, until both of them meet in the middle. Now, if you look quickly to the stage, Vina right here, look at that. It kind of looks like a burrito, kind of, not really. Maybe some lips. Hi! Giant towel lips. Hold it up once again, I'll make sure everybody has it. Perfect. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. But keep in mind, if you guys look at the stage right here, you see the open slit right there, right? That's going to be facing the outside. So make sure once you fold it in half, that openness is on the outside. You don't want to fold it with facing in. You want it on the outside, okay? So make sure you do that, and then wedge it underneath your arm. You'll see that inside each of the rolls, you'll see one of the original corners of the towel. You guys see them? Yes? Like the actual corners, the edge of the towel. You guys see it? Perfect. Now, so one in each roll, I need you to take it and just pull it out a little bit. This helps by tightening up the towel just a little bit more, and it gives us something to hold on to for the next step. All right?
Mommy got lucky.
It gives us something to
I had her
hold
end
on
already
to.
sticking out.
The next step. Hold on. I need you to show them how to do it the wrong way first.
Yeah.
Okay? So for the next step, those four corners that you guys pulled out, you're gonna take two of them in one hand and the other two in the other hand. But now keep in mind though, if you take the wrong two and the wrong two, this is what's gonna happen. It is just gonna open back up, okay? We don't want that. We don't want it just to open back up. So you're gonna take the other two, mix it up, and then just like this, look at Vina real quick. You're gonna pull it open. All right, it's gonna feel wrong, but trust me, it is right. You're gonna keep going, and then just like that, you have a dead chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that, a dead chicken. That's perfect. Now you're gonna take your dead chicken and you're gonna put it on the grill. You're gonna put it on the grill, belly down. Don't worry, we're gonna come around, help you in a second. Let's make sure everybody got their chickens first.
Chicken.
It looks
You got your
good.
dead chicken. Put your dead chicken on. There, over Miley Cyrus chicken.
It's a mustache.
And then over there, look, we got Beyonce chicken. She got all the booty. All the booty. All right, now we're gonna start. Leave your chicken grilling. We're gonna go to the small towel right
Small
now.
towel.
Just lay it out in front of you.
Open it up. Lay it out.
Lay it out in front of you. The small towel. Jennifer, don't have the small towel. It's okay.
I'm running.
That's okay. No worries. Now you're gonna fold it in half. Fold it in half like a taco, kind of. Okay. Let's call this hot dog. Hot dog. Okay. We're folding it in half. Hot dog. If you're from New York, hot dog. I'm gonna take one finger, and then the very top in the middle. The very top in the middle. Top. Yes. Top.
Yes.
Very top, very top, very top. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, now leave your finger there. With your other hand, you're gonna go to the bottom on the one side. You're gonna take the top flap, just the top flap, okay? And pull it towards you. Because, yeah, pull it towards you. It's gonna create kind of like a triangle effect. And do that on both sides, and it'll look kind of like a stingray or a kite. And that one,
Pull it down.
and there you are. Look at that.
That looks more
Now
like
it's
a
a
stingray.
stingray.
Let's see, how we doing over here?
Great job.
Let me help you out.
Fantastic.
I feel like this is gonna make
All
what
right.
we had the
Let's
first day in our
see.
room.
we're gonna
You look
learn
good,
what it
you look
was.
good. You guys are on it. All right. Now, what you're gonna do is there where your finger was. There where your finger was, right? Now you see there's like a little corner on top. Everybody see it? Yes. You're gonna take that corner and you're gonna fold it just a little back, about 2 inches should be fine. You can do more, it could be less, it's fine. Don't have to be specific. You're gonna fold it in and tuck it into the floor or into the table. So underneath. Tuck it, hold it up so everybody can see it. Now, as you hold it up though, make sure
I think it's like
that you
that.
have the flappy sides on top.
Here, roll yours.
There you go, flappy sides on top.
Huh?
That's right.
Hold it up, good job, good job.
One more.
That's good, that's great. How are we doing over here? Perfect.
That end up.
Huh?
That end
All
up.
right,
Yeah.
now here comes the magic, ladies and gentlemen.
Are you ready?
Those flappy sides, you're gonna fold them over. Fold them over a little bit. Shape them however you like, because they're essentially the ears of the animal we are making. And now you're gonna put that, which is the head of the animal. You're gonna go to the dead chicken that's on the grill, okay? Bring it back. You're gonna attach the head there in front. Make sure that the head is the right way around, of course, and just like magic, ladies and gentlemen, it goes from bok, bok, bok to woof. That's right, your dead chicken just turned into a dog.
You're right, Dad. It's a basset
Your
hound.
dead chicken
Lexi
turned
basset
into a
hound.
dog. Now, make sure. Take somebody else's phone and make take a
Sexy
selfie.
Rexy.
Sexy
Go ahead,
Rexy.
for all your social media. Go ahead. Take a spread out your big towel.
I gave you
Come
one
on over,
high
join the
five.
party.
One hand.
All right, spread out your big towel.
Daddy's gonna
Now, what you're gonna do is the long ends of the towel. If you quickly look at Vina right here, the long ends of the towel, you're gonna fold each one in about 2 to 3 inches. You can do more, you can do less. It doesn't have to be specific. All right, but you can do each one of the long ends. You're gonna fold it in about 2 to 3 inches, okay? You're gonna go back to the short ends, and just like earlier, you're gonna roll and scroll until they meet in the middle.
Make this side even.
Here,
Both
Charlie.
sides of the shoulder. Let me come down, see how y'all doing.
Roll it tight.
If you're ready, hold it up once again. Let's see what you got. Perfect. Look at that.
Hold it up.
You guys are doing good though. All right, let me walk this way. Hi.
Let it roll out. Hold on, like
All
this.
right, you guys are good as well. Round of applause. You guys are doing so good. All right.
What
Now,
did you say?
I think that's a winner.
Once again,
Daddy
you're
knows
gonna hold it
how
up
to
for us,
hold
okay?
south.
And you're gonna fold it in half, just like earlier, making sure that open crease is basically on the outside
down.
as you fold it,
Or he's gonna
okay?
leave.
It's on the outside as you fold it. And you're gonna leave it just like that, okay? Hold up your small towel horizontally in front of you. Hold it up, hold it up.
What? That's far.
Now, you're gonna have somebody help you out. You're gonna fold it exactly in half. And then have somebody hold that middle part for you.
Right here.
While somebody's holding that middle part, you're gonna take the sides on top and you're gonna start rolling and scrolling. Now, while this person is holding it, that means it's gonna start going diagonally by itself. Just go with it. Just go with it and keep rolling and scrolling until I can't do it no more. Let's see. We need some help.
Let me see
We
your
need some help.
lightsaber. Your carrot?
How we doing? We good back here?
I
Yes,
think I know what
perfect.
animal we're making.
Good job.
Oh, I
How we
can't
doing
wait.
that side? Good, good, good.
Ooh.
So hold it up with the pointy side down and then the smooth side in front so we can all see the smooth side. Yes? Perfect. Now, if you guys follow it up all the way from the pointy side, if you follow it up, just before these pointy things on top pop out, you'll see there's an edge of the towel. You guys see it? Yes? Take that edge, pull it down about 1 or 2 inches, and then just reshape it back into the towel, back into the carrot. This is gonna force those little fluffy parts on top to peel over. You can open them up, shape them however you want. That's perfect. Just pull it down,
look,
reshape it
Charlie.
into the towel. Now this is going to be the head of our animal. Of course, you're gonna attach that to the body. Hold ear over.
Hold like that. Hold real tight.
Yes.
Okay. Get it?
Good job. No, that looks more like a ram, but it's okay.
Ooh.
This part right
Let me see.
here. And then who knows what this is? It's our elephant, ladies and
Look,
gentlemen.
Charlie.
Yes, it's our elephant. It is our elephant. Now, keep in mind though, sometimes the heads fall off, and being from South Africa, that scares me a lot. So, only your small
Shake it
towel.
out. Shake out that elephant head.
Only your small towel, okay? So, do the exact same thing because why? Practice makes perfect. So, you can do the exact same thing in the beginning, have somebody help you out, and create that carrot, okay? Your carrots look really good.
This is as high as I can go.
All right, now, good job, good job. The body, the big towel, okay? Now, most of yours look like this still. All right, still looks like that. Fold it up. All you need to do is unfold it. Don't shake it out, just unfold it, okay? So that the smooth side is on top.
Oh, smooth side on top.
Just
Flip
fold
it.
it out, whoop, open it up,
Yeah.
so that the smooth side is on top.
Gorgeous body.
Yet if mommy can make this one better than you.
All right, you guys ready for the next step? You're gonna take your big towel, just have it in front of you, okay? You're gonna put the small towel with that open crease basically facing up in the middle of the big towel so that it kind of creates like a plus sign, okay? So you want it in the dead center so it creates a plus sign. You're gonna take the pointy part, stick it out a little bit further than the fluffy part at the bottom, and then fold it shut, whoop, like a sandwich.
Hold it shut like a sandwich.
The pointy part, and you're gonna, you're gonna shape it up a little bit like a
Shake
snake.
it up, shake it up.
And then who knows what this is?
Oh, wait.
It is our dinosaur, rawr. Eating or
Let me
drinking
hear the
water
dinosaur.
like giraffes do.
It's a quiet dinosaur.